Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dika Zakiya Handayani, and before that, we would like to say thank you to all the committees for giving us a chance to present our research article today. And we hope that all the participants here is healthy in this beautiful day. And okay, so we're gonna start the presentation. The research article that we have conducted is Theme-Rheme analysis in the Islamic web-based short stories. Next. For the agenda of the presentation today, first we have the background of the study, and then the statement of the problem, followed by the significance of the study. We will also show you the previous studies, and then we have the method section, which we will show the way we conduct this study. And then we will and discussion section. And the last section, we have the next. First, background of the study. Next. The widespread use of the internet has revolutionized various aspects of our lives, including the realm or the field of education. And as a result, we have witnessed the emergence of online literature and art, including the web-based short stories. And among these captivating genres, Islamic short stories have gained prominence, captivating readers with their compelling narratives. Websites like livingislam.org have become valuable sources of Islamic short stories, offering readers an abundance of captivating narratives. And these web-based short stories provide us with unique insights into various aspects of Islamic culture, faith, and values. So to delve into the linguistics aspect of these stories, we turn to the systemic functional grammar or SFG approach, which is proposed by Michael Halliday. So SFG provides us with a comprehensive framework to analyze language form, function, and context. And within this framework, the concept of thematic structure plays a vital role in conveying the intended message of a written text. And while previous studies have explored thematic elements using the FSG approach, they have primarily focused on different contexts such as the translated books, student project texts, presidential speeches, and popular music albums. However, what sets our research apart is its specific focus on web-based Islamic short stories as the primary data source. So the objective of this research is to analyze the theme and rhyme in web-based Islamic short stories from the Living Islam website. Next. And the next is statement of the problem or the research question. In this research, we have two research questions that are first, what types of Theme-Rheme used in Living Islam website short stories? And what type of theme appeared the most in the Living Islam website short stories? Next. And And for the significance of the study, the research provides a deeper understanding of the thematic elements and narrative dynamics in web-based Islamic short stories. This research also opens up avenues for further research of theme and dream analysis in the context of web-based storytelling, particularly within the Islamic genre. And the research also supports the development of analytical tools and frameworks for studying thematic patterns in web-based storytelling. And the fourth section, we have the research method. This is how we conduct the analysis. In this research, we use descriptive qualitative method. And then we examine the short stories using the systemic functional grammar. And for data collection, we involve searching and visiting the website livingislam.org. And then we selected 3 short stories there named The Shepherd, The Atheist Teacher, and The Sheikh and Pigeon. After that, all of the sentences from those short stories we broke down into clauses for further analysis. For analyzing the data, we include discussion on the form of clauses and the identification of themes and rhymes. And the last, we draw the conclusion based on the alignment of the findings with the research purpose. Next. And next, we have findings and discussion of the research. For the findings, we found that all of the types of themes, which are topical theme, textual theme, and interpersonal theme, are found in the 3 selected short stories in the website of livingislam.org. And the most dominant theme that appeared in the short stories is topical theme. Next. Next, we have the discussion of topical theme. So in one of the 3 short stories in the Living Islam website, there is a class. The old man invested all his money on his son's education. And the noun phrase, or the old man, is perceived as the topical theme, which stands as a participant. It is a single theme that only comprises experiential elements. As it presents an experiential element, the narrator signals readers about the central character whose actions are the primary focus. The rhyme of the clause is invested all his money and his son's education. And the second is textual theme. The clause textual theme is preceded with the word well. The word well is showcased as a continuative that is used to indicate that the message of this clause is related to the previous sentence or dialogue. The clause above has multiple themes. That is textual theme and also topical theme. And then the pronoun I is positioned as a subject as well as the topical theme of the clause. Meanwhile, the rest of the phrase, which was brought up knowing and loving God, is the rhyme. For interpersonal theme, we have the clause, what have you learned, my son? So in the clause, what have you learned, my son? The word what, which is an integral part of WH items, indicates the interpersonal meaning. It shows the kind of interaction between the characters are involved in. Besides, the word have functioned as the finite that denotes the tense of the clause. And the clause has multiple themes, with the pronoun you becoming the subject. And the rest of the phrase, learned my son, is the rhyme of the clause. And for the last section, we have the conclusion. From the findings, we found that the web-based short stories named The Shepherd, The Atheist Teacher, and The Sheikh and Pigeon employ three types of thematic structures, with the topical theme emerging as the most dominant type. Topical themes predominantly appear as the subject in Islamic short stories, playing a crucial role in conveying the main message or the idea of the narratives. The research emphasizes the significant narrative power of the topical theme and its influence on the structural and thematic elements of web-based Islamic short stories. And for further studies of the textual and interpersonal themes in other Islamic narrative texts would enhance our understanding of linguistics aspect from the reader's perspective. Okay, that's all from our presentation today. And if you have any questions, you can contact me at the following email address. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.